YouTube? We back with another vlog, and today we gonna fix the Christmas tree. My baby did it. Go show them your good work. Go get in the camera, Liz.
What? I had to do.
Put it on there.
This?
Yeah. She put them all in one spot. Good job. Good job, baby. Okay, good job. High five. Yeah, because she was the only one that did it. But we gonna fix it up in a little bit. And another one. Here go one on the floor over here. Good job, sweetie. Good job. High five. High five. What you want for Christmas? Tell the camera what you want for Christmas.
A playhouse and a toy car for our guys in it.
A playhouse and a toy car. You gonna hit some donuts in the toy car?
Huh?
You gonna do some donuts? Like spin around in a toy car?
I guess. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, y'all, but we're gonna get back with y'all. Hey y'all, what it do? We back after messing with the Christmas tree. I'm about to go to the store. So you might as well crank up the old school, dog. Yeah, man, you might as well crank up the old school. Let's gonna see how long it's gonna take her. I see the dash, huh? Yeah, let's see how long it's gonna take her. It's cold. Last time I cranked this car up. Probably 2 days after Thanksgiving. That's Saturday. I can't remember. Oh, no, no, it was Thanksgiving. Last day I drove it. I can't remember. I might have drove it that Saturday. Excuse me, I've been at work, y'all. Oh, no, dog. Oh, no, man. I don't know if we going to be able to go to the store in there. I have to take one of the trucks. Nah, bruh. Only 2 minutes in the video, bro. I don't know if we gonna be able to go. Come on, Bessie. It's cold, bro. Man, it been on a crank today, bro. God damn! Oh, excuse me. Excuse my language, y'all. Get in there. Get in there. Shit, bro. Bitch, I want to go, bro. Might have to take one of these Silverados over here. You know they gonna crank up. You know them Chevys gonna crank up. Nah. That's my fault right there. Think we in that like swimwear, in that like swimwear, in that like swimwear, in that like swimwear. All right, y'all, we about to ride to the store in a minute, man. We're gonna let this warm up. Then we're gonna go to the store. Yeah, man, we in the slab ride, you know what I'm saying, on the way to the store. Close the goddamn. Or maybe it's my window. Yeah, man, we on the way to the store, you know what I'm saying? We got the slab fired up on a cold night, yeah. We ride through December, bro. We ride through December, bro. We on the way to the store. I'm not shining the light because I don't know who in front of me. I can't tell if it's the police or not, bro. Look at, man, let's keep the camera rolling. Yeah, we're gonna keep the camera rolling, bro. We ain't worried about no popo. I might have to put the camera down, dog. Can't see. They see my flashlight. And we really ain't got no police in this town, but you know, the state trooper, he come and check on us every now and then. Our police got fired. We had like 4 or 5 when y'all got fired. So state trooper come see what we doing every now and then. You know, I'm gonna be their main suspect they looking for. Yeah, dog. Old country. I don't know down this window. That is. Window dirty, bro. Window dirty, dog. Window dirty, dog. Dirty, dog. Window dirty, dog. What store I want to go to? Y'all want to see some college girls? Nah, I ain't gonna record no girls. Oh. Hey, let me edit that out the video. No,